You don't need years to turn your life around. You don't need some magical motivation. You just need 21 days. Most people think changing your life is hard, but the truth? It's just about consistency. 21 days. That's all it takes to reset your habits, rewire your brain, and get back on track. Let me prove it. Ever heard of neuroplasticity? Your brain adapts to what you repeatedly do. That means if you spend 21 days doing something new, your brain starts accepting it as normal. That's why bad habits feel impossible to break. They've become your default. But the good news, you can reprogram yourself just as easily. Step 1. Here's how to do it. Cut the negativity for the next 21 days. Eliminate everything that drains you. Toxic social media, mindless scrolling, junk food, and negative people. These things are keeping you stuck. Removing them clears your mind and gives you space to grow. Step 2. Set a non-negotiable routine. Pick 3 habits. Just 3. Something simple but powerful. Waking up early, exercising, reading 10 pages a day. Commit to these every single day no matter what. The trick: keep it realistic. You're not trying to be perfect. You're just proving to yourself that you can be consistent. Step 3. Track your progress. Use a habit tracker, a simple checklist. Every time you complete a habit, check it off. Seeing progress builds momentum, and momentum is what keeps you going. Step 4. Build discipline, not motivation. Motivation will fail you. There will be days you don't feel like doing anything. Those are the most important days, because every time you push through, you rewire your brain to become stronger. 21 days. That's all it takes to unfill your life. It's not about being perfect. It's about proving to yourself that you can change. You don't need permission. You don't need a fresh start. You just need to start right now.